State asi phawna chaliba National Highway animakta miyam mahusagum chathok chasin tawba yanapa security deploy tawbagi thabak ayambana loiraklei athubada National Highway sing hangdoklagani haina Manipur Lengaki Chief Secretary Prasant Kumar Singh na phungdoraklei wafum asing asi Power Grid Corporation of India Limited ke CSR initiative makada Imphal East District ki manungda laiba mahiroi amasung phisabi singda bicycle amadi phisakon yenthokpagi thauram amada mahakna phungdokibane thauram adu loiraba matung paumi singna hangba tongan ba wahang singi paukhum piraduna Chief Secretary Prasant Kumar na hai state asi mahausagi phibamda hanjilaknabagi damak tongan ba hiram singda thabak paikhatle ihan hanba thaurang oina lona yadaba maungda painariba khutlai sing ase laukhatpane maramdi miyamgi khutta lona yadaba maungda khutlai pairaga laiba haibase khunai asigi oina achauba threat amane masina hena sathiba phibam ama ohelakpa yai maramaduna hairiba khutlai sing ase matam thinthadana laukhatlabade state asi mahausagi phibamda purakpa ngamgane amaromda state asi phawraga chaliba National Highway sing mahausagum hangdoktuna miyamgi chathok chasinda khudong chahanaba khotnare masigi damak mathau taba security force sing deploy tawbugi thabak ayambana loisilakle ahenba security ki mathau taba khara de watlaga leide madusu athubada deploy tawragane National Highway sing asida hojikso gari sing chathok chasin tawraga leide adubo nakalani gi marakta thajanabagi phibam Laihanaba lambi sing asi miyamgi damak mapung phana hangdokpagi tangai fadaba leide amaromda internally displaced person sing su awaba phibam kaya ama mayuknare makoi sing asi kaya yamna masagi maram tamda hanjal hanba ngamage haibadude yengkiba tare hojik oriba phibam asidadi aikhoigi maikeidagi pangba yaba mateng pumdamak pangle IDP sing ki laifam sabagi thabak chathare makoigi ahenba yum sing sanabagi senpham sanction tawraklagane makoina mayuk nariba awaba phibam sing tapna kokhanbasu ngamlakli haina Chief Secretary Prasant Kumar Singh na makhata na phungdokhe Imphal East District ki Deputy Commissioner Tasilaga pangthokiba thoromaduda district asigi DC Khumanthem Daina SP Rakesh Balwal Commissioner Home and Ashok Kumar na chingba miyoi kaya na saruk yakhe.
In fact, we have to work on multiple fronts. Number one is that yes, there has to be peace, there has to be normalcy. So weapon, of course, we can't leave outside in public and private hands. That is a very dangerous situation. So first we have to get the weapons back to the court, and thereafter take steps to open up highways as soon as possible, make movement fast.
What is the roadmap?
I cannot tell you an exact date, but there's a lot of work going on that. So open the National Highway 02 also. Deployment has been completed almost. A little bit of extra deployment is required. That also will be done very soon. And then the movement is still happening. It's not that movement is not happening. The trucks are coming. Time frame I can't tell you, depends on a lot of things. But then I expect your support also. I would invite the media to come with me when we go to on these roads. Oh yes, why not? I mean, a weapon which is there with somebody who is not authorized to use it, it's a dangerous situation. So the sooner we do it, the more peacefully we do it. It's a requirement. And weapons from everybody. I mean, looted weapons or any other weapon which is there, it poses a threat to society. So, I mean, first and foremost, we do that. Open the highways, bring in normalcy, have some kind of confidence building on both sides. Let people understand the problems. I mean, everybody knows it. Everybody wants it to be over. There is a lot of hope in the society also. Whomsoever I have met, everybody says that yes, it is time now to change. It is time now to bring in peace.